Hi, this is Jeannie from Paws Acupuncture, and today I want to talk about a natural remedy for bladder infections and UTIs in dogs, cats, and humans. This natural remedy is safe to use for all three species. And this special remedy is DMannose, and usually it has cranberry extract in it. And there are several brands that you can buy. This is just a picture of one of them that I have used in the past. So if you're human and you're having a bladder infection or a UTI, you pretty much know if you are because you're urinating a lot. There's probably burning, you're bloated, you're cranky, and a few other symptoms. If that's the case, get to the doctor, okay? You don't want to tolerate this any longer than it is. Meanwhile, for symptoms for dogs and cats, because they're not going to tell you unless you speak fluent canine or feline, things like accidents in the house may happen, and this will be like for dogs and cats that usually don't accidentally pee in the house, not puppies that are untrained. Frequent urination, more than usual, blood in the urine, and crying or whining while they're urinating. DMannose is a type of sugar that's found in several fruits, especially cranberries. And this simple sugar actually blocks certain bacteria from growing in the urinary tract. It also helps to maintain the health of the urinary tract. So it's a great thing to keep on hand if you or your pets are prone to bladder infections. Most supplements that contain DMannose also have other ingredients that fight UTIs and bladder infections, such as cranberry and vitamin C and the herb dandelion, which is used for bladder infections. DMannose will not interfere with any medication your dog or you taking for the UTI. Now, if your dog's going into the vet for a UTI, stop giving him the DMannose before he goes into the vet. That way, when your vet takes a urine sample, it's a clearer picture of what type of bacteria it is. And then after your vet prescribes some medication and has a diagnosis, you can put the dog back on the DMannose. You can take DMannose long term if you or your dog or cat is prone to UTIs and bladder infections. It's something to keep on hand as well if anyone in the family is. Warning. Now, it is best to consult with your veterinarian if your dog or cat has symptoms of a bladder infection. You don't want it to get worse. Sometimes a bladder infection can then lead to a severe kidney infection. And that's not something you're going to fix with herbs and supplements. You're going to need antibiotics or heavy medication. So you want to make sure that you go to your veterinarian as soon as possible to rule out any other kind of problems or bacteria or disease. For more information on holistic pet services, barking Zoom consultations, online classes, and books for people and pets, visit the Paws Acupuncture website, fourpawsacupuncture.com. Thanks so much for watching. Have a pawsome day.